Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker problem. So let's begin. For this, you have to open your settings app, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and scroll down to find the WhatsApp app. Click on it and tap on offload app button. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button will appear. Click on the reinstall app to reinstall your WhatsApp again. Now go back to the settings and scroll all the way down till you find the WhatsApp app. Once you find the WhatsApp app, tap on it and click on the notifications bar. Make sure that the notification section has been enabled. If not, turn on the notification bar. After that, all you have to do is scroll all the way up to sound and haptics, tap on it and make sure that your device is in highest of the volume. If not, make it to the highest volume. After that, what you have to do is open the App Store, tap WhatsApp, and if you see update button instead of the open button beside the WhatsApp app, then you have to click on the update button to update your WhatsApp app to its latest version. After following all these steps, your problem will be solved. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.